Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you exactly how to withdraw your funds from the Bitcoin.com wallet app quickly and securely. Let's dive right in. First, open the Bitcoin.com wallet app on your mobile device and make sure you are fully logged into your account. Next, navigate to the Wallet section, which is typically found on the right side of your screen. Tap on the specific wallet balance you want to withdraw from, whether that is your Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash wallet. Once you are inside the correct wallet, tap on the Send button. You will now see a field asking for a recipient address. Carefully paste the destination wallet address where you want to send your funds. Always double check this address before proceeding, as cryptocurrency transactions are permanent and cannot be reversed. Right below the address field, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. The app allows you to easily switch between entering the exact crypto amount or your local fiat currency equivalent, so you know exactly how much is being moved. After entering your amount, tap Next. Take a moment to review the final transaction details. Pay close attention to the network fee and the total amount being deducted. If everything is correct, tap Send or Confirm to finalize your withdrawal. Your funds are now on the way. You can track the status of your withdrawal at any time by tapping on the transaction in your wallet's history. That is it for today's guide. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe for more professional and direct guides. See you in the next one.